Do you like Chinese food? Chinese food is everywhere in the world, but Chinese food has a different style in each country. So in Korea, we have our own style of Chinese food. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one. For this dish, you will need about 1 cup of shrimp, half of a garlic, oyster sauce, starch, and a couple bok choys. This is a quick and simple dish, so it'll be finished quickly. First, let's cut the bok choy into a smaller size. Bok choy is a Chinese vegetable, so you will see it often from Chinese food. Next, we can chop the garlic and shrimp too. Ground garlic is fine if you don't have a sliced garlic. Pour a spoonful of oil into the pan. I recommend using olive oil. Then stir in the garlic. When the garlic is cooked, put in the shrimp. In Korea, we use a special liquid called mirin. It helps get rid of the shrimp smell. You can use it if you don't like the shrimp smell. The shrimp will be small after cooking. Then put the vegetable and 1 big spoon of oyster sauce. This is starch water. I mixed the water and the starch powder. Pour this water into the pan. The key point is that you have to reduce the heat when you add the water. You are going to see how the starch water messed up the food if you pour it with high heat. Keep it in mind. In my case, I poured too much starch water into the pan. But it's fine. Stir it for 30 seconds more after pouring in the water. Okay, it's already finished. Done. Enjoy your fast food.